Peter Plumber here. Our next job, we have a broken water main that we're heading to right now, so stay tuned. Let's see what's going on over there. E5, okay, and
yeah, Philip's over there.
Got roots there, which are blocking me to can't dig any further.
Okay. Here today, we can't find good pipe. If we can't, within the 5 feet, and then we'll do. We're swinging at. I wanted to swing the axe in muddy water. Look at his face. We're out here, broken main water line. Dig her around so we can make it big so we can repair it. Enrique's starting to get that plumber's crack. Now that we got the broken pipe exposed, we're going to go to the parts house and get commercial grade Baker couplings that we need to fix this main line. At this, I'm like, dude, freaking in the POC if you're looking at what has to be. Here that likes to use the axe. Got that plumber's crack going on. Love it. Life is a happy pipe, I always. Things come in quick. Park leak. Why don't you just get in there real quick? Aren't your boots wet already? That makes sense, yeah. Schedule 80 PDC with 2 Baker couplings for the wind to repair this main water line. Took out about half the tree. Just like that. Just like that. Here at 5 Star Plumbing, we believe in teamwork. Sure? Yeah. Tree roots and water lines don't mix.